What's going on, Fireflies? It is me, NeonMUA, and I'm here to present you with some greatness. So, yeah, sorry I've been gone. Whoops. Also, thanks for all the birthday wishes, you guys. So in case you guys have not noticed, in the past week, social media has been a hellhole in terms of the beauty community. So in terms of that, I want to say that racism is whack, and if you ever decide to support someone who has a racist past or is currently racist now, then you're a horrible person, and stay away from me. There's been a lot of negativity and stuff going on, and I admit I've entertained it a bit, but I've entertained it in the sense of speaking up on what's wrong in the world. So today's video, I wanted to use this as a way to step back away from all the BS that's what's going on lately and get back to the reason why I'm on YouTube now and I do what I do now, and part of that is because of a very special person, and I just wanted to take this time to use this video to be acknowledgement to her and a rekindling of my spirit. So yeah, today's video is going to be a full face of favorites from the one and only Aina. Auntie Jackie. Oh yes! Oh yes! Before this video begins, if at any point you are enjoying yourself, you are enjoying me and the content I am putting out, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means a lot. Also, if you want to continue seeing this face on your YouTube feed, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. And yeah, without further ado, we want to get right into this great full face of favorites from an amazing woman, Aina. So let's go. Basically what this video is going to be is like a full face of stuff that Aina has approved of in past videos on Gram, whatever have you. And I just want to give an homage to her because literally she's the reason why I'm on YouTube now. So the reason why I want to do this video, like I said, there's been a lot of negative crap going on the internet right now, and I just wanted to take the time to just step back because I got involved in it. Step back, breathe, and allow myself to remember why I'm doing this and what I'm fighting for. And for every black boy and girl who feels like they're unappreciated, this is for you. If you guys watch me from the very beginning, like the cringy videos in the beginning, then you know that in my very first video I talked about the reason why I'm on YouTube now, and that's because in Jackie's video, I think it was it wasn't Lash, so Lash was the last one, it was one before. It was trends that were dropping in 2017. Yes, she talked about how she just wanted to see more boys in beauty, specifically boys of color, specifically black boys. And I just remember watching it and I was like, you know what? I'm here, I'm right there with you. So I, built some courage up, built my collection up and things like that. And now we're here in 2018, and I feel like I'm in a place where I can say I am working to accomplish my goal and making her proud and making all of you guys proud as well. So right before we start, Jackie, if you're watching this video, or if anybody who is close to Jackie is watching this, let her know I love you. I appreciate you. As my Leo sister, I love and appreciate you. But as a woman of color in the beauty industry, I can't say how much and how grateful I am that you exist, the platform that you've created, the space that you've allowed guys and girls like me to exist in, and I will forever be in your debt. I will forever be. I love you. This is weird.
Dennis, don't kill me.
I love you so much. I can't say that enough. I think the world of you, and I really appreciate that you are willing to fight so hard to make sure we can exist in this world and flourish in this world. So yeah, I hope this falls on your ears, and if that's
it was for nothing.
Okay. enough of the mushy stuff. We're going to get into the video. It's going to be pretty quick. Like I said, it's going to be full of things that I know from watching Jackie's videos and seeing her post that she likes and approves of. Some things I may not have, and if I don't have them, I found things that are similar, dupes, what have you, techniques of hers that I will attempt to go by, and we will get into this thing. So I just want to say my 5 head is a mess. Sorry. So that's why I'm wearing a hat, and I probably wear a hat this whole video. First things first is primer, and the primer I'm using is the Too Faced Hangover RX primer, and I don't have the actual primer yet. I'm going to buy it. Too Faced, don't judge me. Because of course you guys know of her relationship with Too Faced. Yeah, I'm using this primer because I know she said that this primer is, of course, it's moisturizing, it's great, it works, it's a great primer, what have you. However, this is a great primer because of the fact of what it does to your skin while you're wearing makeup. So you guys know that Jackie loves to do this after, is to lightly dab over her face with loose powder. So I'm going to take just some of my Maybelline FitMe loose powder because I'm going to grab one. Moving on to foundation, we're going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. If you guys don't know, Jackie recently collaborated with Too Faced to expand their Born This Way foundation collection. So congratulations to you, Jackie, on that. I'm in the shade Tiramisu, which is one of the shades that Jackie curated, and I've used this foundation before. It literally takes one pump. I have a man face and I don't have a beard, or don't have a full beard, so I use one hand. Moving on into concealer, I am going to be using, also from Too Faced, the Born This Way concealer. This is a new concealer, and contrary to popular belief, Jackie did not work with Too Faced on this concealer. However, she does like it. And you guys know Jackie loves to let her concealer sit for an eternity, which I don't mind. So I'm going to move into contouring. Jackie's really sculpted in the face. She doesn't do much contouring. I've seen her use this. This is the Black Opal Stick Foundation. I've seen her use this a few times in videos. I'm just going to use that to chisel. And I guess I've waited long enough. I can blend my concealer out. Alright, let me go ahead and set my under eyes. I'm going to be setting my under eyes with the Bakerie Flower Powder. If you guys know, I live, breathe, and stand for Beauty Bakerie. You guys know this. I talk about Beauty Bakerie all the time. I've known about Beauty Bakerie from here and there. Like, I've heard about the brand before. But it was actually Jackie when she talked about, I think it was her video of women CEOs. And I remember her talking about Beauty Bakerie and her talking about Cashmere and her story, and yeah, that's really when my love for Beauty Bakerie just took off. Like, I bought a few of their products and I fell in love. So you guys can thank Jackie for my appreciation for Beauty Bakerie. So shout out to Jackie, shout out to Cashmere, shout out to black girls in general, because like I've said, black girls are the backbone to the black society. Now I'm just going to go back in and set the rest of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Now my eyebrows are not microbladed like Jackie's, so I'm going to do my brows off camera and carve out things, and then we'll get into you guys. Alright, moving on to eyeshadows. I am going to be taking the Too Faced Just Peachy eyeshadow palette. You guys know this is literally one of her favorite palettes. She talks about all the time. And if you hear mumbling in the background, it's my annoying ass sister, so.
How y'all doing tonight?
Ew, gross. I'm gonna lay down my transition using the color Fresh Picked. Make sure I show the eyes so that nobody gets mad at me. Wow, you're my background. All right, next I'm going to be taking the color Peach Punch and putting that into my crease. Alright, I'm going to go on another crease brush, and I'm going to take the color Just Right and deepen up my crease. I'm going to look at more. Alright, now I'm going to switch gears over into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, another palette that Jackie talks highly about. I'm going to take the colors Cypress, Umbra, and Sienna, and I'm going to use that to define and deepen my outer V. Alright, next I'm going to take the color Rose Pink, and I'm going to apply that over the lid. Whoa! I forgot how pigmented these metallics are. Jesus. Going back into Just Peachy, I'm going to take the colors Just Right and mix that with Peach Sangria and run that under my bottom lash line. And because I'm too lazy, I'm just going to go and line my bottom waterline. Well, lashes are mine. I'm going to line my bottom waterline with Noir from Soft Glam. Now I know that Jackie loves Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. I don't own Better Than Sex Mascara. I do have a dupe for Better Than Sex Mascara that is Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, so I'm going to throw that on and then I am going to put on lashes and we're going to get into the rest of the thing. Alright, so we're back and the lashes and stuff are down. I'm going to move into bronzing. I'm going to do some bronzing, mini contouring, whatever have you, with the Beauty Bakerie Coffee and Cocoa palette. Again, like I said, Jackie is who really put me on the Beauty Bakerie, so yeah. Just gonna take the shade Antidepresso. For blush, I'm going to be taking the Milani Baked Blushes. I know Jackie raves about these. She's always talking about how she's out and about and trying to get her hands on them, and she loves them. Another shade that she uses is Berry or More. I don't have that shade. So I'm taking the shade Red Vino. Now I'm going to go in and do some highlighting, and it wouldn't be a Jackie Favorites video if I didn't include the Artist Couture Jackie Aina collaboration in La Bronze and La Peach. So I'm going to start with La Peach. I'm going to highlight my tear duct and brow bone. And then I'm going to take La Bronze and use that to highlight the rest of my face. Now, it wouldn't be official Jackie Aina appreciation look if I didn't include a peachy nude lip. So I'm going to first line my lips with the Colourpop liner in BFF number 3. Next, from the Colourpop Shayla collaboration, I'm going to take the Luxe lipstick in the shade Quickie. Yeah. And to finish off the lips, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss Balm Lip Gloss. Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss, you guys. Alright, guys, that is the completed look. This is my full face of favorites from Jackie Aina and appreciation. What do you guys think? I like it. It's, you know, you guys know I love color, but at the end of the day, this is appreciation for Jackie, you know. And yeah, I just want to do something special for her. If you like this video, which I really hope you guys did, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means so much to me, you guys. Also, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next time I upload. Make sure you guys, please, okay, I know I ask this all the time, but you guys, please share this video with everyone on the internet right now, and especially share this with Jackie. I know that she's a busy woman. I really want her to see this video. I really want her to know how much I appreciate her and how much she is so inspiring to guys and girls like me on the internet. So if you guys can share this, especially with her, I would appreciate it. Thank you so much. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media accounts. That is NeonMUA on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, as well as Lionheart555 on Snapchat. I would love to have you guys join into my family. Become part of the Fireflies, you guys. Listen, Fireflies, you guys have been so dope this past week. I really do appreciate you guys' love and support. And yeah, come on and join me, guys. Also, you guys, I've mentioned this time and time again, but in the description box below, I have a link to my Google Forms, which will allow you to help steer my channel in the right direction. So if you guys have any advice for me, any giveaway ideas, any video ideas that you want to present to me, then go ahead and fill that form out. I will definitely appreciate it. As I always say, the comment section is great. However, this form will be a direct line to help me make my channel better. So if you want to see that, then go ahead and do that. Okay, yeah, that is the end. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys and appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. I really do. And until next time. Wait, hold up. I know you guys know I wasn't going to finish this video without doing one more thing. Hey, Hey, okay, I'm whack. Alright, you guys. Take care. Later.